To play Ride the Bus, all you need is your drink of choice, 4 to 8 friends, and a regular deck of playing cards. Have the dealer shuffle the deck and pass out 4 cards to each player, one at a time. The players must guess the color of their first card. If the second card is a higher or lower value than the first, if the third is in between the first 2 in value, and what suit the final card belongs to. For every wrong guess, the player takes a drink. The dealer then makes a 5-row pyramid of cards with 5 cards at the bottom and 1 at the top. As the dealer flips each card over one by one, starting at the bottom, players match their cards to the ones in the pyramid. If you match a card, make the other players take a drink. The higher on the pyramid, the more drinks a card is worth. Whoever has the most cards left in their hand at the end gets to ride the bus by guessing the numbers, colors, and suits of 4 cards, just like at the start of the game. If they guess wrong, they have to take a drink and then start the guessing over until they get them all right.